So we continue our journey from here, not simply to reach the destination, but to understand the story along the way. This breathtaking waterfall was also formed as a result of the powerful effects of Cyclone Ditwah. The intense rainfall and force of nature reshaped the landscape, carving new paths through the rock and giving birth to this magnificent cascade, an enduring reminder of how natural forces can transform the land in a moment, yet leave behind timeless beauty. These rocks are still not fully stabilized. Because of this, the area is not suitable for hiking at the moment, as serious hazards exist all around. In time, nature will settle and the landscape will stabilize. When that happens, this place will offer a truly beautiful and fascinating hiking experience, rewarding those who return with breathtaking views and a journey worth remembering. You can see my friend Nilmini here, capturing his memories beside this breathtaking, newly formed waterfall, pausing for a moment to connect with a place where nature is still shaping its own story. Hiking through this breathtaking area brings a feeling that is truly uncommon. Surrounded by massive rocks and water-carved spaces, the landscape feels raw and untouched. In all my years in Sri Lanka, I have never experienced anything like this before. It feels as though we are moving through a different world, almost another planet, because this kind of terrain is so rare and extraordinary. There is no other way to climb here. This is the only path that leads us to our final destination. So, let's begin our journey and see where this narrow route takes us. This waterfall, called Nilmini, is truly an unknown one. Even in Badula city, many people don't realize that a waterfall exists in this location. Before the cyclone hit, there was no path at all to reach this place. The entire area was densely covered by forest, and because of that, even many people from Spring Valley traveled toward the waterfall. It was simply inaccessible. Nilmini carefully searches the area, trying to find a way to climb up. The terrain is extremely difficult, with steep rocks and unstable ground at every step, but we move forward. Let's go ahead. You can see my other friend Lilith guiding Nilmini carefully from above, watching each move and helping him navigate this challenging section of the climb. Our final destination is just ahead. You can see it in front of us. My friend is searching for a path to climb up, but the route is extremely difficult and highly hazardous. Still, we push forward carefully and patiently, trying our best to reach our final destination. Unfortunately, I have to give up the journey at this point due to a cramp in my leg. So, I hand over my camera to Lilith, trusting him to continue documenting the rest of this challenging journey ahead. Nilmini and Lalit now begin their journey toward the final destination, Nilmini Falls. Nilmini and Lalit continue a journey toward the final destination, Nilmini Falls, moving forward along a highly hazardous path. Now, let's see what they capture as they push deeper into this untouched and challenging terrain. Well, look at the beauty of these countless waterfalls. It truly feels like a miracle. Lalit captured this moment beautifully. Actually, Lalit is an exceptional guide and one of the best hikers. You can see how carefully he guides Nilmini, ensuring every step is safe as they make their way toward the final destination. His experience and attention make it possible to navigate this hazardous terrain with confidence. You can see them, step by step, getting closer to the final destination, passing by beautiful newly born waterfalls along the way. Truly, this is a miracle of nature, a reminder of how powerful forces can create breathtaking beauty in the most unexpected places. This newborn beauty is truly unique to this area. I have never seen anything like it before. These views are rare and extraordinary, unlike anything familiar. Not only that, the climate here is cool and refreshing, and the air feels pure, thanks to the surrounding Nilmini mountain and Nilmini forest. Every breath brings calmness, making this a very peaceful hike. If you're feeling stressed or burdened in any way, this hike is perfect for releasing those tensions and reconnecting with nature. According to this dedicated explorer, in the future, Spring Valley has the potential to become a major tourist attraction, largely because of hikes like this one and the remarkable landscapes it reveals. You can see the surrounding area with countless newly born waterfalls flowing beautifully in every direction. So, what do you think? In the future, this place will attract many tourists who come here to witness this extraordinary beauty. This hidden beauty, Nilmini Falls, is no longer alone. She now has many sisters, countless newly formed waterfalls joining her, creating a magical, cascading symphony of nature. And this is not the only spot. There are many more newly formed places in the areas surrounding Spring Valley, each offering its own unique landscapes and breathtaking sights. And finally, as I mentioned before, this area is not yet stabilized, so please do not attempt to hike here. The terrain is still full of hazards. I'm going to stop this video now, but before we end, let's hear from Lalit about who he is and what his experiences are in this area. We will meet again on another beautiful hike. Until then, this is paradise in my eyes.
මම ලලිත් රෝහණ මම වෘත්තියෙන් කලාව තෝරගත්ත හස්තකර්මාන්ත ශිල්පියෙක්. ඒ වගේම තමයි මම ගොඩක් පරිසරයට ආදරය කරන පරිසරය පිළිබඳව අලුත් අත්දැකීම් ගන්න සහ පරිසරයේ විවිධත්වය සුන්දරත්වය දැක දකින පරිසරවේදී ඔක්කොගේ දිනවල තිබුණු නායෑම පස්සේ මේ අපි දකින වදුල්ල ස්ක්‍රීන් එක මේකෝද මේ දිහාට තමයි ඇත්තටම ගොඩාක් ගැමියන්ගේ මතකය අවදි කරලා ගත්ත අවුරුදු 200ක පමණ ඉතිහාසයක ඉඳලා මේ වගේ ලොකු නායෑමක් දෙවිලා නැහැ. මේ ඔස්සේ ගලන්නේ ඊටාම කුඩා දියපාරක්. නමුත් මේ වෙලාවේ හිතා ගන්න බැරි විදියට විශාල දියපාරක් වගේම ලොකු නායෑමක් සිද්ධ වෙලා තියෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ තමයි අපි මේ දකින මේ පරිසරය දකින්නේ. අපිට හිතා ගන්න බෑ මේ තරම් විදියට ලොකු නායෑමක් එක්ක අර දිහිදී නම් මේ විශාල ගල් මතුවලා තියෙන්නේ ඒ විශ්වයෙන් පස්සේ. මේක ඇත්තටම ගොඩක් පරිසර ගවේෂකයන්ට ඇත්තටම මේ දකින්න ලැබෙන අලුත් අත්දැකීමක්. ඒ වගේම තමයි මම මේ වෙලාවේදී කියනවා ගොඩක් වෙලාවට මේ පරිසරය ලස්සන සුන්දර වුණාට මේ නායේ දැන් කවුරුත් මේක බැලුවගෙන් පස්සේ ඇත්තටම මේ ඉන්න හදන්න එපා. මොකද මේ බලාගෙන ගිය වතුර පාරත් එක්ක මේ ගල් කොහොම මේ තැන්පත් වෙලා තියෙන විදිහට ශාම විශාල ගල් පොඩි චලනයකදී නැවත පෙරලෙන්නේ. ඒ නිසා ගොඩක් අවදානම්. කොහොම ප්‍රවේශයෙන් තමයි මේක අතම එන්න ඕනේ.